CH2.6 World Heritage. Heritage means which is valued because of historical or natural or cultural importance. A World Heritage Site is a site determined by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO, to have significant cultural or natural importance to humanity. As such, the sites are protected and maintained by the International World Heritage Program, which is administered by the UNESCO World Heritage Committee. In 1954, Egypt started plans to build the Aswan High Dam to collect and control water from the Nile River. The initial plan for the dam's construction would have flooded the valley containing the Abu Simbel temples and plenty of ancient Egyptian objects made by human beings, that is, artifacts. To protect the temples and artifacts, UNESCO launched an international campaign in 1959 that called for the dismantling, that means disassembling and movement of the temples to higher ground. The project cost an estimated $80 million, $40 million of which came from 50 different countries. Because of the project's success, UNESCO and the International Council on Monuments and Sites started a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. In 1968, the International Union for Conservation of Nature developed the goals to protect historic cultural sites and presented them at the United Nations Conference on Human Environment in Stockholm, Sweden. Following the presentation of these goals, the Convention concerning the protection of world cultural and national heritage was adopted by UNESCO General Conference on November 16, 1972. The World Heritage Committee. Today, the World Heritage Committee is the main group responsible for establishing which sites will be listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The committee meets once a year and consists of representatives from 21 state parties that are elected for 6-year terms by the World Heritage Center's General Assembly. The state parties are then responsible for identifying and nominating new sites within their territory to be considered for inclusion on the World Heritage List. There are 5 steps in becoming a World Heritage Site. The first is for a country or state party to take a detailed list of its significant cultural and natural sites. This is tentative list. Second, countries are then able to select sites from their tentative list. And the third step is a review of the nomination by 2 advisory bodies consisting of the International Council on Monuments and Sites. The final step in becoming a World Heritage Site is determining whether or not a nominated site meets at least one of 10 selection criteria. Once a site goes through this process and is chosen, it remains the property of the country on whose territory it sits, but it also becomes considered within the international community. There are 890 World Heritage Sites that are located in 148 countries, that is map. For example, Sydney Opera House in Australia, US Yellowstone and Grand Canyon National Parks, Peru's Machu Picchu. Many World Heritage Sites are in danger of being destroyed or lost due to war, natural disasters like earthquakes and uncontrolled urbanization, heavy tourist traffic, and environmental factors like air pollution and acid rain. Different plans are put into place to protect or restore the site.